You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to log in and work as a different user on MySQL. Normally when we open MySQL, it just shows root, that is the administrator. By default, it set no password for administrator. Here I am using VM Server 2.0 for running MySQL. You can directly install MySQL on your system also. Today we will learn how to create new user, switch between different user, login as a new user, how to change password of already created user, how to delete any user and work on a new user. Directly on MySQL command prompt we cannot create new user. To do this, I will use DOS command prompt where I will open MySQL, then perform all these operations. Let's start coding. First of all, we will open DOS command prompt as an administrator mode. Now open bin folder that contained mysql.exe file. When you install only MySQL, then its address will be C program file MySQL bin. But here I am using VM server, so the address of MySQL file will be different. Here the address will be vamp/bin/MySQL /MySQL 5.1.36 /bin. This is the folder of our MySQL file. Now we will check whether MySQL file is present or not by using dir command. MySQL.exe file is present here. Now our system is ready for a login in MySQL as an administrator. So we will write our MySQL command, MySQL space -u for username, that is root, space -p for password, then enter. Now it will ask our password, but by default there is no password for root. So now we are in MySQL console mode. Now we will use select user command to check which user is currently logged on. Select user parenthesis start and end semicolon. Here you can see our current user is root. Here I am using Apache web server as a local host, that is the part of VM server. Now we will check how many users are there by using command select user from mysql.user. That will show all users available in MySQL system. There are 3 users presently available: root, that is the administrator, and Abhi and Ram. We can switch among all these 3 users. Now we will create new user named CCC by using command create user CCC@localhost. Here CCC is the username and localhost is its web server identified by password. This is the command. It means create user, username identified by password. Here I am using Ram as a password, then semicolon. In this way you can create new user. By default we create new users using our admin because admin contains all access right. Now we are just watching our user list. New user is also now part of this list. It means we have created new user successfully. Now we will grant all access rights to our new user by using command grant all privilege on star.star to new user, that is our CCC @localhost. Now our CCC has all the access right as a administrator, but it cannot delete our administrator, but administrator can delete any user. Now we are exiting from our administrator. Next we will log in as a new user, that is our CCC. On DOS prompt we will write MySQL space u space username CCC space p and then enter. Next we will enter password, that is our RAM. Now we have logon on our CCC user. We will check our current user by using command select user. You can see our current user is CCC localhost. Next we will check all users of our SQL server. There are 4 users and currently we are logging as a CCC. Now we will learn how to change the password of any user. Here we will use set password command. So here we will write set password space for then our username equal to password. Next we will write our new password in parentheses. That will overwrite our old password and create new password of our user CCC. New password is Ramayan. Now we are exiting from our CCC user by using exit command. Now we will again log in our CCC user to check new password whether it is running or not. Now we will insert password Ramayanan. It shows that our new password is valid. Now exit from CCC. Next we will learn how to permanently delete a user. To do this we will log in as an administrator. It means root. We cannot directly delete our administrator, but an administrator can delete any user. Here we will use drop command, that is a DDL command, data definition command. Drop user username, that is the CCC @localhost, that will delete user CCC. Query okay, it means we have successfully delete CCC. Now we will check our user list. Select user from mysql.user. Here CCC user is not in this list. It means we have deleted our user. Now exit from administrator. Can we again log on deleted account? Let's check. Now we are trying to log in on our deleted CCC account. and we are inserting our password, but it show error access denied. It means we have deleted our user successfully. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please subscribe our channel.